betimes.
Nay, by my troth. To be up late is to be up late.
A false conclusion, and I hate it as an unfilled can.
To be up after midnight and to go to bed then is early. So, to be up after midnight is to go to bed betimes.
Does not our life consist of these four elements?
So they say, but I think it rather consists of eating and drinking.
Oh, thou art a scholar. Let us therefore eat and drink. Maria!
A stop of wine! Babe, here comes the
Oh, welcome us! Come, let us have a song.
The fool has an excellent voice. Oh, I do wish I had so sweet a voice that the fool has for singing. Yes, a song.
Come, there is 6 pence in it for you. Let us have a song.
And here's a catch line of me.
Would you have a love song or a song of good life?
A love song.
Aye, I care not the good line.
Oh, mistress mine, where are you roaming? Oh, stay and hear your true love's coming. That can sing both high and low. That can sing both high and low.
Excellent, good.
Oh, good.
In delay there lies no plenty. Then come kiss me, sweet and 20. Youth's stuff will not endure. Youth's stuff will not endure.
A mellifluous voice
I hate it.
very sweet and contagious.
But shall we make the welcome dance then? Shall we rouse the night owl in our catches? Shall we do that?
And you love me? Let's do it. I am a dog at your catch.
Fire lady, sir, and some dogs will catch well.
And then let our catches begin. Thou knave.
Hold thy peace, thou knave knight. I will be constrained into to call you knave knight.
'Tis not the first time one has been constrained to call me knave. Come, begin. Hold thy peace.
I shall never begin if I hold my peace.
Good. Come, begin.
Hold thy peace, said I.
Hold thy peace, and I pity. Hold thy peace, thou knave.
Hold thy peace, said I.
Hold thy peace, and I pity. Hold thy peace, thou knave.
Hold thy peace, said I.
Hold thy peace, and hold
If my lady has not called up her steward Malvolio and bid him turn you outdoors, never trust me.
Hold thy peace, hold thy peace, thou knave. What? Am not I consanguineous? Am not I of her blood? Silly valley lady. Hold thy peace,
Said I to me, hold thy peace,
thou knave. Hold thy peace, and I pity. Hold thy peace, thou knave. My masters, are you mad or what are you? Have ye no wit, manners, nor honesty, but to gabble like tinkers at this time of night? Do ye make an alehouse my lady's house? That ye squeak out your closier's catch without any mitigation or remorse of voice? Is there no respect of place, person, nor time in you? Hold thy peace. Oh, we did keep time, sir, in our catches, Sir Toby. I must be round with you. My lady bade me tell you that though she harbors you as her kinsman, she She's nothing allied to your disorders. If you can separate yourself and your misdemeanors, you are welcome to the house. If not, and it would please you to take leave of her, she is very willing to bid you farewell.
Farewell, dear heart, for I must needs be gone.
Nay, good Sir Toby, his eyes do show his days are almost done.
So,
I shall never die.
Sir Toby, there you
there's
lie.
so much credit to you.
Shall I bid him go?
Why, and if you do,
Shall I bid him go? Out of tune, sir! Ye lie! Art thou any more than a steward? Dost thou think that because thou art virtuous, there shall be no more cakes in ale? Drop thy chain of crumbs! Maria, a stoop of wild.
Mistress Mary, if you prize my lady's favor at anything more than contempt, you would not give means to this uncivil rule. She shall know this by contempt!
don't shake your ears!
Poor is good indeed to drink when a man's a-hungry, than to challenge him to the field and create cross with him and make a fool of him.
Do it, knight! I'll write thee a challenge, or I will deliver thy indignation to him by word of mouth.
Sweet Sir Toby, be patient for tonight. Since these are the counts will stay with thy lady, she is much out quiet. For Monsieur Malvolio, let me alone with him. If I do not gull him into a nay word and make him a common recreation, do not think I have wit enough to lie straight in my bed. I know I can do it.
Possess us! Possess us! Tell us something of him.
Marry, sir, sometimes is a kind of Puritan.
Oh, had I thought that I'd beat him like a dog.
What, for being a Puritan? Thy exquisite reason, dear knight.
Not exquisite reason, but reason good enough.
It is his fate that all that look on him love him, and it is on that vice that my revenge will find noble cause to work.
What will thou do?
I will drop in his way some obscure epistle of love. I can write very like my lady or niece. On a forgotten matter, we can hardly make distinction of our hands.
Excellent! I smell a device.
I have it in my nose as well.
I know by the letters thou wilt drop that they come from my niece and that she is in love with him.
My device is indeed a horse of that color.
Buy your horse would make him an ass.
An ass, I doubt it!
Oh, 'twill be admirable.
Lord Royal, I warn you, I know my fist will work with him. I will place you two and let the fool make a third where he shall find the letter. Observe his construction of it. But for this night, to bed, and dream on the event. Farewell.
Good night, fair Penthead.
For me, she's a good wench.
She is a beagle. Red. And she adores me. What of that?
I was adored once too.
Come, let's bed. Wilt thou send for more money in the morning?
If I do not, I am a foul way out.
Send for more money. And if you have my niece not in the end, call